First, go to Zoom website, zoom.us. There you can see a button called Sign Up, It's Free, a orange color button. It will be either at the top or at the bottom. You can click on either one of these. We are actually trying to create a new account here, so we need to enter the date of birth. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to enter an irrelevant date of birth. I'm going to give 2020. 2020 is absolutely an irrelevant date of birth because how can a newborn baby do Zoom live? So this will throw up an error. So the problem here is no matter how many times you are going to log in again, you are going to get the same message again and again and again. And now I'll show you how to fix this. So before getting into the troubleshooting part, let me show you one more time. I'm signing up again and I'll be getting the same error. Now go to top of your browser. There is a log shaped icon. Can you notice it? So click on it and click clear cookies and site data. You will get a window. And there is one more way to reach this window. So click on the log shaped icon and there is a beak next to connection secure. So click on that beak and click on more information. And under security tab, you can see clear cookies and site data. Click on it. Okay. Now go to that window again and you can see devforum.zoom.us. Select that and click on remove. It will be removed. Now refresh your page. You can refresh here or you can either press F5. See, now it's working. So what you have to do is you have to give the correct date of birth. Okay, relevant and logical date of birth. Now let us experiment with the Chrome browser. Go to Zoom website and again click on sign up for free. Again input an irrelevant date of birth. You will again get the same error. You can't get rid of this error unless and until you follow what I am going to tell you right now. Go to the top of the browser, click the log shaped icon. Below you can see cookies. So click on cookies. You can see zoom.us. Select that and click on remove. Click on done. Now refresh the page and you should be able to sign up now. So input the right data, logical date of birth. Only then you can able to log in again. You may get the same error with Android app also. So click on Zoom. So click on sign up and input a date of birth. So for testing purpose, I am going to enter an irrelevant date of birth. So I am getting the same error. Now get out of Zoom and click on Zoom again and again try to sign up. Now try to enter a valid date of birth. I am going to give 1987 and I am going to click set. It won't work. See, I am getting the same error again and again and again. Now go to your mobile settings. Okay, there go to app management. So click on app management. Now go to app list. Can you see app list? Click on it. Now search for Zoom and click on Zoom. So click it. So you can see storage usage there, storage usage. So click on it. So clear those two datas. So clear cache as well as clear data. Okay, no problem. Give OK. Now again go to Zoom and try to sign up with the valid date of birth. It will work. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and encourage me. Thank you again for watching.